Okay, so those taxonomic levels: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. As we start at the top, this is going to be a very broad level. And as we worked our way down, it gets more specific. Okay. You will have to know these taxonomic levels. So you won't have to know them for every single species, but we are going to be using these taxonomic levels. The ones that we're going to primarily focus on, we kind of start off at the phylum level, and we will work our way down to class. And once we get into our chordates, we'll even take a look at order. And on occasion, I will have you guys look at genus and species. Okay, so to help you remember that taxonomic level, to share a little memory hack, what we call mnemonic device, to help you remember that. Dear King Philip came over for good soup. So domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. There are other ones that people have used that I've seen online. Dumb King Philip. Do keep precious creatures organized for grumpy scientists. You are welcome to come up with your own. This is one of the more common ones that you can find. All right, so I mentioned kind of the levels that we're going to be looking at, and we'll always start off with a phylum. So here are the there are actually 30 different phyla, or more than 30 different phyla, but here are the 9 biggest, have the greatest number of species. Each of the animal phyla listed in this table has at least 10,000 species. So we'll be studying these phyla in zoology and some of the major classes in Chordata. So if you're wondering, and we will more or less take these kind of in the order they appear here. But yeah, if you're wondering about a certain animal, here gives you some examples and the phylum that they're in and when we might study them. I will point out that, again, this is Phylum Chordata. So if you're wondering about, birds, mammals, reptiles, amphibians, and fish, they'll be later in the semester.